What's going on? You won't make money with ClickBank if you do not do this. Welcome to my channel, everyone. My name is Andre, and on this channel, I talk about how to make money online, entrepreneurship, and how to better people's life and give them tips and help them out because I know what it's like when I wanted to work from home as well. So now I have the time and I'm able to do that. I want to share it with you as well so you can have the life of freedom as well. All right. So if this is your first time, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, all right? And for my regulars, happy to have you here. And let me know what you, or where you're from, I should say. Where you're from in the comments area. Let me know where you're from. I always want to give you guys a shout out and welcome you to this channel, all right? So I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to give you guys some tips because there's a lot of people out there that do not talk about this. Yeah, there's so many people online that's telling you to do this or to do that. But if you do not know this, you will not make any money on ClickBank. Yeah, I'm not saying that this is the best strategy out there, right? But if you don't know the simple things to get you there, you will fail. And many people are just gonna give up regardless. And I'm gonna share with you guys some ways how you can actually make money. And if you don't do this, well, yeah, you're not gonna make a ton of money. All right. So the first thing I want to explain to you guys, right, is this is the ClickBank account. And what most people do, and this is most people who are brand new, beginner, and heard of ClickBank, heard of affiliate marketing, and say, you know what, I've seen people done it, and I just want to go there and sign up, and then let me go and try to promote. The number one thing, I don't care what it is that you're trying to sell, if you do not have any traffic, you will not make any sales, period. And even if you're experienced and you're watching this, you know this as well. That's where people have the hiccups. This is where people have problems. This is where people do not know what to do. So that's why I've invested thousands, even tens of thousands in my education just because I want to learn all these things, right? So the first thing you guys need to know, right, is you have to brand yourself. Yes, there's people out there that can just grab their affiliate link and they can put it here, they can put it there. I'm not saying you're not going to get sales, but how much money are you going to make? You probably make one sale this month, and you probably don't make another sale till next month. And then there's a set of people that will come in hot. They're so excited, they're ready to go. They grab their link, they go out there and they start to promote. They get a couple sales, and then they go and tank because they're not as excited as before. They're not, they don't have that drive. They don't have that passion. So I'm going to share with you guys this number one tip. And you have to brand yourself, right? What is branding? Branding is creating content in the marketplace. And over time, you're going to build this like, know, and trust factor. And believe it or not, and let me just explain to you guys that some of you probably think that you've seen people on YouTube or on Instagram with so many followers, and like there's so many followers out there, and you think that, okay, there's no way I'm gonna get there. Trust me, you will get there. As long as you keep creating content and put it out there in the marketplace, believe me, you will build your tribe. There's people that would actually come to you and say, hey, I like you because I just want to work with you. So let me just share my screen. This is the ClickBank, right? Everybody knows what ClickBank. So I'm going to show you guys some tips and some ideas of exactly what I'm talking about. So you definitely want to do branding, right? Branding is the main key. So let me just put this up here for a little bit. You definitely want to do branding. So here's the first thing you want to do, right? Branding. Oops, wrong one. That is the drawing. So I need the drawing one, and I need this one. So branding, right? You definitely want to do some branding. After you brand yourself, the next thing you're going to do is create content, right? Here's the content that you got to create. Now, what is content? So let's say you're in the health and wellness or biz opportunity, or let's say you're someone who likes sports, right? And I'm going to break this down to you. So you like sports. Here it is. You like sports, right? So sports is a very broad word, right? Think about what type of sport do you want to try to target? Is it football, right? Is it soccer? Is it baseball? Is it hockey? There's so many different sports out there, right? So let's say you pick baseball. Baseball is what you want to start talking about. Now, the next thing you want to do is try to target your audience. Who are you want to talk to? Is it male or is it female? Right? So you got to narrow it down. Who you want to talk to, male or female? All right, let's say you want to talk to female. All right, now you have females. Okay, what age demographic do you want to try to target? So the next thing you want to do is like, all right, now I'm targeting female. Now I want to hit age demographic, right? I want to go with people who like baseball, 18 to 35, right? Now here's the thing. These people eventually are getting older. As you create more content, your audience, you're going to have new people coming in, you're going to have people coming in, people leaving. It's okay. So what is a good way to start off, right? You can start off with, let me move this. You can start off with YouTube channel, right? Now, some of you are going to say, well, YouTube takes so long, right? Blogging, it does take long too. Instagram does take long. Twitter does take long. Facebook does take long. Unless you have some money that you want to spend to grow your brand, which I'm sure there's people out there who actually have money that is willing to spend. Not a problem. But let me tell you, no matter what it is that you're trying to promote, you always want to have a free method and you always want to have a paid method. That's how you scale. Free, hang on one second, right? Free method, and you want to have a paid method. Free and paid. Believe me, you want to make sure that you're balanced out because think about it as like a seesaw, right? Here's the seesaw. Here's the middle right here. If you just focus on only paid, guess what? This is going to go down, right? And if you only focus on free, yeah, free is going to be good for a while. But if you want to start to hit big numbers and start to bring in more money, you definitely have to do paid. So this is what I highly recommend. So that's why I tell people, whatever it is that you're doing, create a blog if you want. You can get HostGator and, you know, a hosting thing and host your blog. I think it's like $2.95 for a month or so. I could be wrong. I'm just throwing numbers out there. So maybe you're watching this video at a later time, price probably change. All right, so blog, Instagram. These are free methods that you can start with. YouTube channel. Feel free to create a YouTube channel. So if you want to create a YouTube channel around sports, right? Where are you going to get content from? There's other people out there that actually have a blog about it, have an Instagram page about it, have a Facebook page about it, have a YouTube channel about it. So all you have to do, watch them, learn from them, right? And then put what you learn in your own words. That's what I've been doing all this time. Create your own stuff. You're not reinventing the wheel. You're just listening, learning from somebody else. And what you learn, you apply it, because people learn and people listen to different things at the same time, right? So that's all you got to do. So find a product or find a specific niche that you want to go into. Create a blog, create an Instagram page. But here's the thing though, people always trying to do too many things at one time. Focus on one, whether it's going to be a blog, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, all that kind of stuff. Focus on one method and work on it, and then you will see how it skyrocket. That's how I created my Instagram thing. I focused on Instagram for a long time, and I grew it, right? Close to 20,000. And then I focused on my Facebook, and then I grew that, right? And then I focused on now I'm focusing on YouTube, and it slowly started to pick up, right? So that's what you got to do. Focus on one thing at a time. Brand yourself. There's no such thing as branding. Yeah, you can create Facebook pages and all that kind of stuff, and you could spend money and get sales, but having a brand will last forever. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. All right? Peace.